Since we're talking tech, let's just stay on that and mention Intel. We've referenced it already. What was disappointing guidance from that company. Stock's having the worst day in nearly 6 months. Revenue missed analyst estimates. I mentioned the guidance. And you've gotten a number of price target cuts. You've got a couple of downgrades. Interesting, though. J.P. Morgan today reiterates they're overweight, which is why we've made it our call of the day. A bit of a contrarian call, perhaps. Weaker near-term demand, they say, from cloud modem, but expect strong second half of this year inflection point. Jim, you own it, and in fact, you've been buying more, so you agree with this.
I do agree. I bought more this morning. Look, I said at the top of the show that I think the market overall and specific stocks will give you opportunities to buy great companies at great prices, and this is one of them. Now, having said that, you can't just buy a stock because it's cheap, and it is at 10 times earnings. There has to be catalysts going forward. What are those catalysts? Number one is you get a new CEO in place. And to the extent that today's problem for Intel is the guidance, and I do think that is the problem today, I think they may have been lowering the bar so that a new CEO can come in, put together a strategic plan, present it to the street, and then beat those strategic plans and those milestones as they occur. Number two, they're clearly moving along. Scott, I know you hate it when I do this. I'm sorry, but they're clearly moving along towards 10 nanometer production. That needs to stay on track.
I hate it more when you mention how much I hate it. Finally, when you do get a China deal, and I'm saying there's three catalysts here. When you do get a China deal, this is a highly cyclical stock that, at least in part, the guidance was due to China trade issues that will rally hard on it. So it's not just that it's cheap. It's that there are three catalysts in front of it. And look, if you look at this over the last 3 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, this stock has killed the S&P 500 over those time frames. It goes through periods like this where it gets slaughtered, and I'm telling you, these are buying opportunities.